okay, nothing really special.
Okay, nothing really special. What about going outside? Because I've heard that it is not just in our country which like or which is like having like a celebration or a year-end party. What about in your country? Do you have that a kind of celebration?
Yes.
Okay, so may I know, is it like in your school? They of course the school that you were going in, do you have like this so-called Christmas party? Do you have such thing?
Not really.
Okay, not really, but I think it is just a year-end party. Okay, so may I know if during holidays, is there any like a chance for a class suspension in your country?
Explode later that same. What?
Is there like a class suspension? I mean, a vacation that your school is giving you whenever there is like a holiday season?
I guess kinda.
Mm-hmm, kinda. Okay. I thought it is just in the Philippines. Anyways, okay, what about yesterday? Because yesterday, Teacher Rana is organizing like a marathon type. So, what did you do yesterday?
Me, I just try to play the flying gorilla because it's very fun.
Okay, good thing that you were playing to at least reduce your boredom. Okay, anyways, I hope that with playing Flying Gorilla, you can still remember our topic the last time. Can you still remember it? And also give me your insight about it.
No, my brain is full of flying gorilla as it is very fun.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so does that mean that you can still remember or not?
No, I cannot.
Oh, you cannot. And maybe you are not the same Ken that I am facing right now. Okay, maybe the flying gorilla is actually the one, the real Ken, I mean. Okay, anyways, though you are not the real Ken, may I know what is your idea
Yes, I'm real. Yes,
about
I'm real, okay.
how
I'm
you
just
are?
very much flying gorillas.
Ah, okay, okay. I thought you were abducted by gorillas. Okay, what about now? Can you tell me your idea about a lifestyle?
What?
Can you tell me something about lifestyle?
Yes, lifestyles like the way that you like live, the way that you like believe in things. Yes,
Okay,
something
so
like that, maybe.
no, not maybe, but
Yeah,
exactly right.
maybe.
That is how a person lives. Okay, but may I know what kind of a lifestyle do you have? Can you consider it as a good one, an average one, or
Yeah,
a
it
bad
is.
one?
I think it was say this pretty much is a very good one.
Okay, a pretty good one. So may I know now, how are you going to define a good lifestyle?
A good lifestyle means kind of like it's not terrible. Like you don't like you might not contribute anything to like the world.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, maybe I will try to make that less loud. But
Okay.
like uh the like I would say uh the one that is healthy is like the one that is like my
Mm-hmm.
how they say this it's like really healthy. I don't know how to like you will like you might not be like contributing anything to the society, but like you are still having like a fun like days, like you are still gonna like enjoy your life. You are not like being stressed by anyone and are actually happy with what you have.
Okay, very good. A good lifestyle is actually living a happy life. Okay, meaning to say you are not stressed out. Okay, you can join charity, but at the same time, it's not like wasting any goods or not. Okay, but you were enjoying your life. Okay, what about a bad lifestyle? What is a bad lifestyle for you, and what do you think does a person doing by simply living a bad lifestyle?
A bad lifestyle kind of like means like it means like they are like just wasting their life, just doing absolutely nothing. Like
Mm-hmm.
it's just have nothing to do. Like it's just like useless, contributing absolutely nothing to the society,
Mm-hmm.
something like that. And I would say I don't like that kind of lifestyle.
Okay, something that, okay, maybe a person is doing something bad in the society. Okay, what about, for example, an introvert and an extrovert person? Which do you think is living a healthy, a good lifestyle? Those who only interact with themselves only, or those who interact to others? Which one?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, welcome
Hello.
back. Okay, because you suddenly left the room. So, as I was asking, which one do you think is living a good and a bad lifestyle? A person who is an introvert or who only loves to associate himself only to himself, or the extrovert one who likes to interact with others? Who do you think is living a good and a bad lifestyle?
I
I
think the
mean.
both of them. I think that both of them are like fine. It's not like they're doing anything terrible.
Okay, both are, or both can be considered as a person who lives or who's living a healthy or a good lifestyle. Okay, but what about if you only interact with yourself, that you felt very scared to interact with others? You feel scared to try new things. You feel scared to try new food. You would only stick to one consistent lifestyle. Can you consider it like a good one or a bad one? And why do you say so?
If you like just love that kind of lifestyle, then okay. It's not like no when someone wanna like tell somebody it's bad. But I would say that you should also do something else because like just doing something like so is like just terrible.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there's no harm on living like a constant life. Okay, but it is important to try new things so you will not be boxed. Okay, you will not just simply inside a prism only. Okay, you need to explore
Yeah.
and discover more things. Okay, what about this one? Okay, someone says that in order to live a healthy lifestyle, the only thing that you have to follow is to only eat healthy foods like meat, vegetable, and fish only. Do you believe in that?
If your idea of being healthy is like just have a healthy lifestyle is like having a healthy life, then yeah, okay. It's not like it's bad, but also
Oh.
you're having a wrong understanding of what the life, what a good lifestyle is.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very well said. Of course, it depends on someone's perspective. Of course, if a person, okay, let's just say that a person is a vegetarian one, of course, so for her or for him, a healthy lifestyle is eating only vegetables. Okay, for some, it is okay to eat a meat, a vegetable, and um meat, vegetable, and fish only, because for them it is a healthy living. It is like a healthy eating habit. Okay, what about this one? Someone says that in order to live a healthy lifestyle, one must know how to walk and use bicycle when going to school or going somewhere else without using their car or any transport vehicle except for bicycles. Do you believe in that?
No,
Oh,
because you may not have to do those to be healthy.
okay. And also depending on what kind of ride do you need. Okay, if you are in a hurry, would you rather walk, run, and then when you go to school, you feel like you're very sweaty? Okay, and your classmates would like smell, okay, where did you go? Why is that you were sweating that much? Okay, of course, it again
Yeah.
depends to the person. Okay, what about at
Yeah.
school? How can you consider that you were living a healthy lifestyle at school as a student?
I like making friends, have like a
Mm-hmm.
happy like days of school, and maybe like also do something that everyone just love or something like that, or maybe just be something like that.
Okay, very good. Of course, if you have friends or good friends surrounding you, and if everyone is happy seeing you, okay, that only means that you were living a good lifestyle. Okay, because they were not hesitant, like, okay, can you help me with this? Thank you for making me happy. So they were not hesitant to say that to you. Okay, what about inside the classroom? How are you going to say that your teacher is living a healthy lifestyle?
I would say maybe she's been maybe like knowing how to teach her students or something like that. Maybe trying to be more motivative teaching her students.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe
Oh,
making her students like maybe making every student not skipping class. Maybe
okay, very good. Okay, you would notice that you were like joining a healthy lifestyle at school, specifically in your classroom, if your teacher is motivating her students. Okay, if the teacher is always happy, if the teacher is like dressed so well and felt like, okay, no one is going to skip the class. Okay, very good. Okay, and now that
like if
we mm-hmm,
like maybe she should make like if the class is feel like it would be a burden for you for them because like
mm,
they're missing a good person. Maybe something fun happened, so they're missing something. I
okay.
think that try to make the students feel like that.
Okay, very good and very well said. And also is, of course, you can say that a teacher is living a healthy lifestyle if she is like, or he or she is like, convincing the students like, okay, don't be sad, today is a good day, today you will do good. Okay, not the teacher who would say, oh, go back to your seats, okay, open your nose in this one, answer this one. Okay, not that loud. Okay. What about, okay, now that we are done distinguishing a good and a healthy lifestyle, I think we are good and ready to answer the selective questions. Okay, let's start with number 6. Will you please read?
Okay. Do you have a healthy lifestyle?
Mm-hmm.
I would say that would be a yes for me because my style is very healthy. I would say I win 100% proof that it is healthy because it
Okay.
is healthy.
Okay. Of course, just like what I've been asking you since the first time that we tackled about lifestyle, of course your answer is yes. You are living a healthy lifestyle. But can you tell that someone is living a healthy lifestyle if he or she is sick all the time?
I would say it's more like maybe it's more like an immune system and not like a food.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe if she has like something like that, then maybe it's not actually her fault.
Okay, very
Or
good.
maybe just, or maybe she just not knowing how to care for herself and just like eat something like that.
Okay, you may be depending again on a person if he on how he or she is dealing with sickness. Okay, but when it comes to healthy lifestyle, okay, can we just say that living a healthy lifestyle would only revolve to like or connected only with a person's health? Is
I
it about
say
health?
no,
Mm-hmm. Why?
no, it's not. Because like if you're just like talking about like health, then there's like a tons load of other things that could tell you if you're having a good one or not.
Okay, it is not just your health, which is the basis of having a healthy lifestyle. Okay, someone, okay, for example, in the United States, you can see that lots of people are fat. Okay, so if you would see like an American who's like very fat, can you consider him or her like like a person who's living a healthy lifestyle? And why do you say so?
I would say if you're talking about the health, then no. But if you're talking about like maybe what they are up to, then maybe yes, because they're having a good lifestyle. Oh, I mean, no, they're not having a healthy lifestyle. It means they're having obesity, other kind of like weird disease that they may have, for example, health disease. I'm about the ones that I have no idea how.
Uh-huh. Okay, thank you for mentioning about obesity. Okay, because someone, okay, in order for him or her to be called a healthy person who's living a healthy lifestyle, he or she must not be like above the average size of a person, who's like not under the average size of a person. Okay, but if you will sum up everything about them, Americans are actually living a healthy lifestyle. Almost of the Americans, okay? It is because they were living with like a high economic status at life. Okay, most of them can provide or can live alone, can provide for themselves, and can buy foods at a very young age using their own money. Okay, so what about with those people living in like living in a particular tribe? Okay, those who are living in the mountains, who are not living in the cities, can you consider them like someone at this moment is living a healthy lifestyle?
I would say it's not like they are not having a healthy one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's not a healthy, but like I would say it's fairly fine.
Okay.
Uh,
It is fine. Okay, of course, if they were comfortable with the way they live, or if they were comfortable to their living. Okay, now I want to know, in order to have a healthy lifestyle, what do you think are the ingredients of living a healthy lifestyle? What do you think a person should do to have a healthy lifestyle?
I would say maybe they can
Mm-hmm.
you know
Hello
Hello,
again.
teacher. For some reason, I
Okay.
just keep get
Okay, it's okay. You
doing.
don't have to worry. Okay. So now, my question, or to continue our discussion, what is or what are the ingredients of living a healthy lifestyle?
That would be to like sometimes like
Mm-hmm.
exercise. Maybe sometimes it wouldn't be doing something great, and I would say yes, that would be a really healthy one.
Okay, doing something great, okay, not abusing yourself with something that is what? That is very risky. Okay, what do you think
If
are those things
maybe you
that
could do
uh
something, maybe like you should do a little exercise to be sure
oh
that you will not be like fat.
okay, involve
Yeah, maybe
yourself.
you could like walk. Yes, maybe you could you also yourself in some activities that could be really easy to do and may as well just bring you along with other people that you may know. Yeah, I would say
Mm-hmm.
that is a pretty good one.
Okay, that's it. Of course, in order to have a healthy lifestyle, you have to involve yourself with exercise. Okay, proper eating. Okay, proper be conscious with your proper posture, proper weight. Okay, that a person needs to have. Okay, but can you say that can we consider that in order to have a healthy lifestyle, the ingredients are um enough money. Next one is like involving with leisure activities, and the third one is like being just simply a happy person. Can we say that those three can
Yeah.
be considered?
Yes, especially the money one.
Okay, the money one, why do you think it is important to have enough money to have a healthy lifestyle? Why is that a money is important when it comes to having a healthy lifestyle?
Because if you're not having enough money, you may like do some illegal things to like get enough money. And having money means that you are gonna have like a better meal and like a better life. Yeah.
Okay, a better meal, a better life, or something that okay, whenever. Mm-hmm. Okay,
And also a better way of exercising.
okay,
Yep, I
that's
agree.
it. Okay, that's it. Very good. So those are the things why money again is important. Okay, you can buy anything that you would like to have. Okay, meaning to say your mind is stable, your psychological thinking is stable. You can think properly, that's why
Oh,
you
sorry.
can do proper things. What is it?
Oh, also, if you have like too much money, you may spend Spanish at the wrong place, which may also be a problem.
Uh-huh.
Maybe.
That could be a problem. But in what way do you think that money can be a problem in that kind of situation?
For example, if you spend your money in like the wrong place, then like maybe you buy like too much like wrong place, and maybe you will be like in a very wrong situation. Like you might not
Mm-hmm.
have actually money.
Okay, very good. Or in simplest word or term, it's like you tend to abuse, okay, the use of your money. You are not using it in a right in I mean in the right way. You are consuming a lot. Okay, so why do you think like an abuse into like a particular thing is really an indication that you are living an unhealthy lifestyle? Why is that
Mm.
abusement? Mm-hmm.
I think the reason is that you are like using it in like the wrong way, maybe you in marijuana just like using your money ineffectively, which may lead to some very wrong thing to do. Maybe you will accidentally do
Mm-hmm.
things that you shouldn't have, which may be wrong, and something is something that you also shouldn't do because it is common sense to not do so.
Okay, let me say that word again, common sense. Okay, it truly is if a person is having like a common sense not to abuse everything that he or she has, of course he will deal with a healthy lifestyle. But if not, if he or she lost his like sense of all of the senses, his or her common sense, of course that person will like pretty much involve himself in an unhealthy living. Okay. So what about this? For example, you have your money, you have your food to eat, you have okay, again, for example, you have your food to eat, you have your money to spend with everything that you have your own house, own space and all, but your parents tend to what, argue all the time. You were able to see your parents only once, which is at the morning, and then when you fall asleep or at night you couldn't see them. There is lacking of communication between the family members. Now my question is, do you think that kind of living, though you have plenty of money, is like a living a healthy lifestyle?
No,
Why?
supposed to like also like one like that is also like because a healthy lifestyle also means that have like a strong one, like
Mm-hmm.
mental mind, and having something like that is not gonna help you to have that.
Okay, meaning it's not healthy, okay, in so many ways. Okay, because living a healthy
Yeah,
lifestyle, meaning to
actually,
say you are not just having a good health, but also is a good family bond. Okay, if there is no communication at all and you felt like you were alone every time, of course, that is not healthy. Okay, you might have like a
yes.
problem regarding your psychological health. Okay, so what do you think are the effects of lacking of communication with your family members, and how do you think it is like an unhealthy practice of living?
I think that it will make you like not knowing how to communicate and some other things. For example, you might not like having like the correct advice for some job problems. You
Mm-hmm.
might listen to like your friends and they may give you like the one that is like not good, which make you involved in some not good situation, which means that there's a lot of chance that it may not something be good for you.
Mm-hmm. That's it. Of course, also is your mental state will not be like clear all the time. You would question a lot of things. Okay, why am I considered rich if I am very poor with the love coming from my family? Okay. So in order to, so would you agree, and why would you agree if I would say that living a healthy lifestyle should comes after like healthy living with a good health and a good mental state? Would you agree with that?
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. And why can
Oh,
you
wait.
consider that, let's say, physical health and mental health are good combinations in order for you to have a good, or I mean, a good health?
I uh,
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
It's too.
I think that if you are like you're meant to mind that like just like really bad, you might like get like stress and nothing could like fix it other than to like talk to people. But then as you are like parent having lack of parents talk and advice, so you may not be very comfortable with one of those